at all. It's the same engine, same gearbox as my one though.
But the look is much more special. Much more special.
Key's different.
No, it's not this key. Forget this key. This
Ah,
is Volkswagen key.
Yeah. So everything's the same. Same info, same.
Yeah.
24 hours for effect.
The film crew said, hey, sit in the car with Andrew and tell him one Bugatti is enough. I'm like, fuck no, you bought it.
He will.
I'm the guy who said no.
He's right. I would have bought it if you would have said that on camera. I would have said, done deal. I'm glad you're here to make me sensible. I would have bought 3 cars already.
Bad film crew. Bad.
If Jewel wasn't here, I would have bought 3 cars already. Don't let him in the store. He stops the sales, bro.
Why, bro? Why do this?
It's my job to be Mr. Boring, bro. It's my job.
I'm going to decide which one I take. I'll message you later.
24 hours, let's reflect. Let's reflect.
All right, bro. Take care.
Thanks, bro. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, man. Thank you, man. Good to see you. Thank you.
Appreciate it.